It wasn't something that I'm proud of, but at least I got to demonstrate what happens when you don't stick to your rules. So for persons out there that have rules and set it and just having trouble sticking to it, and every day or every minute you're deviating from your rules, then at least you can see it's not you alone. I hope y'all can see me and I hope y'all doing great. It's Sunday and obviously we have no charts. This is one of them days where we have the charts. We can be doing a barbecue today. See.
So them chefs is within them restaurant.
Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing amazing today. And it's currently Friday. Yesterday, Thursday, we had a lesson. I was reminded why I have a 9:30 rule and why I follow it to a T, regardless of how nice or tempting the setup looks. So I lost 2 trades, and if I'm being honest, they both were before 9:30, because even the second one was, I think it was like at 9:28 or something, so it was before 9:30 and I broke my rules. Here we are, however. On Friday, I did not enter any more trades. One of my rules also includes just entering 2 trades max per day. So I didn't break that one, hear me. And yeah, we're here, and all this price action happened yesterday. The sell eventually happened exactly after it took me out, as you can see there on the charts. And yeah, we had a lot of bullish price action, and we're here above all that price action yesterday. So one thing I am doing moving forward for sure is sticking to my rules. It wasn't something that I'm proud of, but at least I got to demonstrate what happens when you don't stick to your rules. So for persons out there that have rules and set it and just having trouble sticking to it, and every day or every minute you're deviating from your rules, then at least you can see it's not you alone. Others have trouble sticking to their rules as well, but the same results that happen for you when you variate from your rules happen to us. So as long as we stick to our rules and you can see the same result, then it's not just a one-sided thing where you're seeing it working, but you're also gonna see it fail if you don't follow the rules. So yeah, we're here on the charts. Not that much price action to go by. If we zoom in on the 15-minute, all right, we're here. You see that bearish candle just get taken over now by this bullish candle. So we really don't know what the price wants to do, and it looks like consolidation on the larger time frames. So I really don't want to get in on those points. So I'm going to allow the price to do what it has to do. And once I see a possible trade, then I'm going to mark up the camera and fill you guys in on that. Oh, before we go, the $50 to $100 challenge, it was like at $53 or something. We back at $49, so still going strong on it. Still placing a trade on this one today too, so let me watch. Alright, and we're back. It's currently 5 minutes after 3 in the afternoon, and as you can see on the screen, price did what price had to do. Now it went all this way up to the upside. We shot up, and then price came back down for retracement at this area at the beginning of the fair value gap. But before placing this trade, right, I did not enter the buy because I was skeptical of price action. I did not see any manipulation for price action since this day open, so I was a bit wary of either buying or selling until I saw that manipulation. Now I thought that manipulation didn't happen, but in fact the manipulation was the move to the upside, and then we dropped. This price action just took a turn and I did not see it coming. I'm not gonna lie with you, I kinda wanted to sell coming down into the entry, but I was late to it because I was looking at the sell around here, but I didn't see any confirmation even when we dropped down to the smaller time frame. but at this point would have been the confirmation for me, but I was just late to it. I was at the price around here. I thought maybe I would get a retracement into that fair value gap, but as of lately we're not getting that much retracement into the fair value gaps. I did account for these times in the market when we would be under these conditions, so moving forward I'll start utilizing the break of structure and not the retracement to the fair value gap. It's according to my rules, it's all after the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. I'm still looking for the impulsive candles, the fair value gaps, all that niceness, but I'm just not waiting for the retracement into this fair value gap if I already confirmed that I'm in the distribution leg of price action. So just some food for thought. This was a textbook trade, I could say. The only thing different about this one is that I didn't have confirmation across all time frames going right down to the 5, because if we can see here on the 5 there is no fair value gap, but it exists on the 15 and even the hourly. So I just thought that maybe that would be an area where price respected, but even here on the hourly the fair value gap exists, but we barely broke above this high right there. We had 2 candle closes indeed above this high, so that fair value gap would have been valid, but we didn't have any type of manipulation to the downside. So price, in my personal opinion, it just didn't have the strength to keep pushing up once we got above there, and we have been creating a lot of liquidity to the downside, so we due for a retracement. Not mad at all. Currently all of the accounts at SIG sit just a little bit around $450 in drawdown each. So that's 4 times 450. I don't even know how to do the maths, but it's probably around like $1,800. And yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I allowing price to enjoy itself, because when it's time for eat, oh boy, just managing risk for right now. I'm a chill, let price do it, God do. It's possible that price eat the whole thing and I ain't even business either. Late chill. I know there will come a time where I'll eat the watch out to the price. So until then, I'll stay calm. So it's Friday and it's in the afternoon. It's 11 minutes after 4 in Guyana, but just 11 minutes after 3 New York time. So I don't see myself opening any more trades, especially to hold over the weekend. So that's gonna be it for this one. And if you made it this far to the end of this very short video, remember to like, because your boy has been going through it this week. It's been a rough week, but we still positive, still going into the new week with full optimism and discipline and following the same rules, looking to execute the same strategy but just more efficiently, more effective, hopefully, in this new week. So until then, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. And even though I could barely see y'all, like I could honestly barely see myself out there, I hope y'all can see me and I hope y'all doing great. It's Sunday and obviously we have no charts. This is one of them days where we have the charts. We're gonna be doing a barbecue today. See Halloween car now, setting up the firewood. JJ inside there getting the beef ready for the fire, and well, I'm vlogging. Now if I give my job, gotta start doing the work. Just started. Should open the camera and give y'all a little update. It's a pretty gloomy day outside. I don't know if the camera definitely can't catch the sky, but it's a pretty gloomy day. Not bright sun or anything, but oh, look who. Yeah, I can see you. Hold on. Look who did. This one is coming and licking up my foot, making sure my toes moist. Like, make a boss man the dog. Anyways, I'm going to give y'all incremental updates. You don't know how it's be. We've had then, so yeah, man.
So them chefs is within them restaurant.
Just trying to give you a little update on how we stand here right now. Philly Island when we done, but that's how we're looking right so far. Y'all didn't even see it up. There's why y'all missing out in action, but hey, we back in it. I really slip and bust the fuck out in the head. But here we are. Wait, the vibe. How do you say it? Yeah, I see that. Just making sure I see what's going on. Fire's on a low for right now. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and give y'all a taste test. Alright, taste test. Wait, I got a piece. I'm a judge, man. I can't put it too close because I manually set the focus, so I can see it, and I ain't able to adjust it right now, but this is it, a piece of beef. Nah. Oh yeah, and tell me as a chef. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let me tell you, I got 1 minute of footage left, so I can save it for when the rest done, but what a bit. One piece done. And just like that, we finish the barbecue. You see that? You see that? It might not look as good as it look in person on camera, but trust me, hey, this busting, bro.